Hello guys, so we are here in front of Cibeles, one of the most beautiful building here in Madrid, and we are going to walk to Puerta del Sol. So that's the beautiful Cibeles, and this is the Banco de España building. It's beautiful, and we are going to walk in this road. That's beautiful, guys. It is illuminated by lights. So many lights here. So beautiful. And here we are at the Banco de España metro. It's the Banco de España metro. In front of the Banco de España building. It's beautiful here. Oh, it's so wonderful. That's beautiful. And here we have you can walk here going to Puerta del Sol. Maybe it would take like 10 minutes going to La Puerta del Sol. We're going to pass one metro station, which is Sevilla. Along the road we have benches if you want to sit. This is the Instituto Cervantes building. That's the beautiful Instituto Cervantes building. But it's still the Banco de España. It's huge. This building is so huge. The buildings here are beautiful, guys, in Madrid. So this is Instituto Cervantes building. It's actually high. It's tall. So it's also one of the most beautiful buildings here in Madrid. Las palabras de un secreto. That's beautiful. And then there, that's another beautiful building. I think it's like the Ministry of Education building. So that's beautiful as well. We're going to cross the road. There are so many cars and people and bicycles today. Okay, let's take a look again at the Instituto Cervantes. Yes, this is the I think this is the headquarters of the Instituto Cervantes here in Madrid. It's a huge building, actually. I haven't been there yet. I haven't entered yet this beautiful building, but I hope one day we can enter this beautiful building of Instituto Cervantes. So we are going to follow this road. So this is still a Banco de España train subway station. We have here a small sales booth or booth that you can buy souvenirs. There is actually a church here, like a pink church. So that building, you can actually drink something at the top. It's like an overlooking or rooftop bar over there. If you can see that, you can go there at the top. There. Okay. I think it's a theater. So that's the church that I was talking about. And here we have a restaurant in front of the church and buildings. Yeah, that's a theater. Okay. And here's the famous building, but they are actually renovating it. And now this is the entrance going to Gran Via, Madrid. We have to go on the other side, going to Puerta del Sol. If you're going to continue this road, it will go to Gran Via. But we are going to Puerta del Sol, so we are going to go on the other side, this side. So let's wait for the green light first. That building is so huge. It's beautiful, guys. And this building, they are renovating it. I hope they are going to finish it sooner. So from the other side, let's walk for 5 minutes before going to La Puerta del Sol. Okay. So the patinetes can actually go along with the cars, and the bicycles and the motorbike is green. Let's go, guys. Let's walk. In a few weeks, they are going to put here a ball, a Christmas ball. So we have to wait for that. We're going on the other side. So that's going to the Puerta del Sol, guys. It's so new from here. Yeah, so we just follow that road going to Puerta del Sol. So we were there at the Cibeles, Parque Cibeles. Now we crossed the road and we're heading to Puerta del Sol. There's a basement park here. If you go down from here, that's a basement park. And here there are public buildings or office buildings. This will lead us to the Four Seasons Hotel, and then from there 5 minutes we are going to reach La Puerta del Sol. We're near, guys, to La Puerta del Sol. Okay, so this is another basement building. So in 5 minutes we will be reaching Puerta del Sol, one of the most crowded and most touristy place here in Madrid. So I'll see you in a bit at the Puerta del Sol. This is the Generali building. Now this is the Four Seasons. We are now close to Four Seasons. And we are going closer to La Puerta del Sol. So that's the Four Seasons building. So beautiful, guys. Are so beautiful. So wow, this is the Four Seasons building. It's so beautiful. Wow, this is so. This is one of my favorite buildings. So we're going there, going to La Puerta del Sol. Okay, guys, so this is the Four Seasons building, and now we are heading to La Puerta del Sol. We are going to follow this road. A couple of minutes, we will be arriving La Puerta del Sol. So this is the road. It's so beautiful here. Alright, guys, so from Four Seasons, this is the Galeria Canalejas. Now this is La Puerta del Sol. There are so many people here in La Puerta del Sol as always, every day. Actually, it's freaking cold right now here in Madrid, but the people is still, are coming out outside to enjoy, to relax and have fun. By the way, this is the Apple store. So the Apple store is right next to the La Puerta del Sol. So this is Puerta del Sol, guys. We're going to finish our video here, and thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more travel videos, and we are going to feature La Puerta del Sol for now. Thank you. See you soon.